Well, let's take the example of there being a car accident on the freeway. Maybe somebody stops short, maybe somebody swerves into a lane, people get injured as a result, and that's your typical auto accident type of case where a driver was negligent and caused injury to somebody else. Auto product liability differs from that in the sense that, is there another reason that a person was injured, or another reason that the accident happened, or maybe another reason that the person was injured more severely than they should have been because of an inherent defect in the vehicle itself? Let's take a scenario where you have a car that makes an emergency avoidance maneuver to avoid something, but goes off the freeway and rolls over. Perhaps an occupant or the driver is catastrophically injured or killed in the accident. Certainly there's the issue of, why did the vehicle leave the roadway? Was the driver paying attention? Is there the fault of another vehicle on the road that made that emergency avoidance maneuver responsible? But then we have to also look at, how did the car perform in that? Cars are performed with safety devices. That could be a seatbelt, it could be an airbag, it could be electronic stability control to keep the vehicle from getting out of control. It could be the structure of the vehicle. Was the occupant survival space, the passenger compartment, was that preserved the way it should have been? Was the vehicle manufactured with those things in mind? There could be a lot of different aspects of the vehicle systems that are designed to prevent either the accident from happening in the first place, or when the accident does happen, to protect the passenger. We look at those systems to determine whether there could be any fault on the part of the manufacturer, either through negligence, or even if the manufacturer wasn't negligence, whether it was just a defective design, which the manufacturer is going to be liable for.